Hello everyone, this is the unboxing and installation of the new Yeelight smart light bulb. This is the second generation of the bulb. It's 10 watts. It has E27 interface and it should be like 10 to 20% brighter than the first generation bulb. Interesting thing about this that it's cheaper now to buy on GearBest than it is on AliExpress. And the best thing, at least for me, is that it's available in the Czech warehouse. So I received it in like 2 days and it was delivered to my door. So this is really a good service from GearBest. Okay, so let's unbox it. There's nothing much to it. I already own one of these second generation bulbs, but only white one. This is the first color one that I got. It's absolutely the same. The only difference, as you can see, is the color bar here, so you can tell them apart. So it says work with the Google Assistant. And of course, you need the Mi Home app in order to use it, or Yeelight app. As you can see, there's energy chart here. So it uses 10 watts. Color temperature is from 1700K to 6500K. And this second generation bulb works with either 110 or 220 watts. So it can be used in the United States or in Europe. Okay. As usual, there's an instruction manual. This time it's in English. Installation steps, list functional faults, warning, blah, blah, blah. It has several languages. French, German, Russian. This is Spanish probably, or Italian. I think it's Spanish. This is Polish and Chinese. Nice touch. So here it is. So the color bulb has a purple ring here, and the white bulb I think has a yellow. So let's try to install it. Okay, so let's turn it on. And we'll have to run Mi Home app. And we'll just go plus and see what it does. And lightning. Device is nearby. Oh, there. It's already there, as you can see. Yeelight LED bulb. So we first need to connect it to router. Next. And it says done. So we have to put it in a room. And we'll just call it lamp. Okay. Use now. We agreed to the terms and conditions, so let's see. This one is actually very far away from the router, but reaction time is pretty good. Let's try the color. So we can also update the firmware. Hopefully it worked and we'll be able to control it. Okay, so the other thing we have to do is set the time zone, but since there is no Prague, we'll just set it to Belgrade, and that should be it. Thanks for watching.